meee. Sponsor me. Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. This makeup ratings or whatever, but you knew that already, or you should know that already, period. Y'all, it's been a minute. As y'all can see, our girl got glasses now. We got a few things to talk about, but today we about to head outside. I'm about to go meet Darling at this Korean fried chicken place we've been to another location, but we're gonna go to another one today because that one's closed. I'm about to head out right now because I don't want to be late. But welcome back. I missed y'all. I hope y'all miss me. Y'all better have missed me, okay? But yeah, so I just wanted to quickly introduce this vlog. I just quickly got ready. I haven't even eaten nothing because I'm saving space, because this spot, it's so good. Chef's kiss. But yeah, that's about it. It's a beautiful day outside. Let me show y'all. Like it's sunny, y'all. It's October. I was actually just talking to my friend. It's 30 degrees in October in Canada. Unheard of, but y'all, it's so beautiful outside. Like, the sun is sunny. Like, this is crazy. It's October? How? Anyways, let me not waste no more time, but I'm gonna see y'all when we get to the restaurant, and yeah, we're gonna see what's happening and chop it up a little bit with Darling. I need to do my nails. Like, they're grown out. There's two missing from this, y'all. Anyways, let's head out. I'm gonna see y'all at the restaurant. Yeah, like an hour. Yeah. What?
Okay, that's $322 here.
Yeah.
And that's $150.
Yeah.
One is $50 each. Cab $50.
Yeah. What? What are you doing?
Where's the Z?
It's here.
Okay, there we go. That's the last letter. I'm already stressed. What's the number?
I've never seen anything else. That shit is child.
It's literally right there.
Okay.
You just can't see it because it's tucked in. No, because those are authorized only.
Oh no, I meant to like walk that way.
Oh, yeah, we can walk into
it. Yeah, that's what I was thinking, but
coming.
Okay, y'all, we're here. We're trying to decide what we're gonna eat, drink, whatever. So cute. I showed y'all a little b-roll just quickly. So this is the appetizers, what they got on here. What did we get anything from here last time? The corn cheese. Did we get the corn cheese?
Which one's that?
Yeah, I think we got the corn cheese.
Yes, we got the corn cheese. Yeah. I think it's cream cheese.
That was good. Should we try something else, or should we
Yeah, try something else.
get the corn cheese? And then they have a little kids menu and stuff down here. And on this side they have the side dishes. We got this last time. It's at the rosé one. Yeah, this one was so good. So good. Is the mic on? Because girl, let me tell you.
How can you tell? Does it have a little notification?
Like when I talk, I can see it moving. I remember sometimes like I'll be like 5 minutes and I look and it's look around, everybody on me. I think the other one they had a picture of it somewhere. But I
This is it though, because this is this.
Yeah. It's that one.
I thought it was more red. It wasn't more red?
It's not a spicy chili for sure.
No, it's definitely not that one because it wasn't that spicy. It just had like a to it. That's weird.
What did we get? Anyways.
You didn't really need credit to do nothing really.
No. I mean, and think about it, like what would I have needed it to do with?
Nothing.
It's true. It's so good. Yeah, it's actually mad good. It's really bad. Really bad. Y'all, this is so good. Let me show y'all. I think I showed y'all already, but it's like spicy, but not too spicy. Alright, y'all. Tteokboki 1, us 0 again. Like,
Oh dear.
but we about to get out of here. It's gonna focus. Yeah, we're about to get out of here. So I'm gonna see y'all when I get back home. I think I'm gonna go. Yeah, we're gonna go to the phone store, and we're gonna see what happens after. But I'm gonna see y'all.
Oh, where's that bell?
I think that's the.
Oh, do you know the story behind Kirby?
No.
So King Kong wanted to make a video game and they wanted to sue Donkey Kong so they can take their video game down and so they can put their video game up.
Yeah.
But they lost and they had like a really good lawyer and the lawyer was named was something Kirby. So they made the character inspiring after him. Yeah. So
I didn't know that.
There was actually
Literally. That's so weird.
I should get this.
If y'all never had one of Buddy's cakes, they're so good. Yes, and the rainbow. So fucking good. Okay. Yeah.
And it gives you time.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna hold on to it for a little bit longer.
Yeah.
So is the screen cleaner just for the screen, or is it for when I actually have the screen protector on?
It's for either one. So that's like a fingerprint. You get rid of fingerprints and stuff if you spray it on the screen. Do it before you touch the screen, and then it'll it's like fingerprint resistant, so it won't like see your fingerprints.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay guys, so this is a new phone. I got the iPhone 15 Plus in blue. Look at her, she is so pretty. But yeah, I'm about to take her out and set her up and stuff and put on the screen protector in the case. I don't want to do too much because I don't want no mishaps. So yeah.
Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fit. Your body are too tight and neat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. 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 Listen, you've been missing since 2016. Squid tell me one fix. You know that's my sister. When she speak, I listen. She swears you're my missus. I say we think different. I see. By your heart, I see. Come, baby, come, try me. Who you gonna love if you run by me, love? Ready? Too many twists and turns, girl. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Baby, call me, I too fry, I get burned. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Your body drive me crazy.